Before starting any project, be sure to review the owner's manual and other instruction materials. Begin by taking your new FLEXiO from the package and remove the cup off the nozzle. Next, fill the cup with your paint or stain. Before putting the nozzle and cup together, adjust the suction tube for your spraying project. Make sure it faces forward if you're spraying straight at the surface or in a downward direction, and backward if you're painting in an upward direction. The eye spray and detail nozzles are adjustable and will determine the width and shape of the spray pattern. Be sure to adjust the air cap horns based on the direction you're spraying. A horizontal position for side-to-side spraying and a vertical position for up and down spraying. Attach the nozzle and cup to the back end for handheld sprayers and to the handle and hose for stationary sprayers. Make sure you follow the masking guide to prepare your area for spraying. Use the included spray poster to do a quick test spray to make sure you're getting the desired spray results. The innovative eye spray nozzle is great for large areas, giving you more paint control and the ability to paint fast with a consistent finish. The detail nozzle is used for fine finishing, staining, and small projects. With adjustable power and material flow, you can use the lower settings for thin materials like stain, or the higher settings to spray thicker materials like unthinned latex paints. Refer to the Power and Material Setting Guide section in the owner's manual for more details. Pull the trigger slowly and you'll notice two stages. First stage engages the turbine. The second stage sprays. When your projects are finished, be sure to clean your FLEXiO. Disconnect the front end, return any remaining paint back to the can, and place the front end in the sink. Disassemble parts and rinse clean. Once dry, reassemble and put away so you're ready for the next time your to-do list calls for a little color. Remember to register for the extended warranty. FLEXiO, a faster way to a better finish.